Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So guys, in this video I just want to share with you this opportunity. It's a web3 one. The website itself is called Candora. So they are giving out opportunity for those people who want to become ambassadors. Okay, so what do ambassadors do? Like, you introduce this website to new people, and it's free. Joining is free, everything is free, and they also want subscribers who will be joining the wait list. Okay, so they are giving out it's like an airdrop, though they are giving it out as an USDC, and USDC, as you all know, it's a crypto coin. It's a stable coin, that is. Okay, stable coin, so the price is just there. Okay, so the disbursement will be done once the coin or the app itself is launched. Okay, so once they launch the app, they will send the withdrawals into the wallets that people are providing while registering. For the first step, for registration, let me take you through is when we can talk about other things. Okay, so for the first time, when you register, you're going to put your email address here. Then after that, you can join as ambassador, and you can also join as a subscriber. So if you join as an ambassador, you can share your link with your friends. So that is the reason you are joining as ambassador. As ambassador, you're joining like a referral program whereby you'll be sharing your unique referral link with your friends. Everyone else, it's available worldwide. So you share with them. When they register, after they have verified their emails, you'll be paid 2 USDC per person. Okay, for any person who was registered under your using your referral link or under you. Okay, so you'll be paid 2 USDC, that is $2. Okay, because 1 USDC is the same as just $1 or 1 USDT. Okay, so you put your link, your email right here. You can see right here. After putting in your email, I've already registered, so I'm going to just go to my account. So once you registered, okay, once you put your email address right here, they're gonna send you a code on your email. So make sure that email is correct. Okay, so once they send you the code, they will tell you to insert the code or put it where it's supposed to be. Then after that, your account will be activated, and you will be required to connect your Twitter account. So once you are done that, you will be on the list and you can get your referral link. So the first time when you're registering, after putting your email address, they're gonna send you the code. After putting on that code, listen to me, there is a secret phrase that they're gonna give you, secret key. Please write it somewhere, copy it to your clipboard, put it on your phone book, or write it somewhere. Okay, because anytime you register, anytime you are trying to log in, they're gonna request you for it, because everyone has got unique key phrase or secret key. So don't share it with anyone. Okay, that is the only way to access your account. If you forgotten it, you won't be able to access your account. Okay, so let me show you my account where I am now, because I joined last night. So guys, this is my account. You can see everything here. I'm ambassador, right? I can log out. You can see my ambassador profile. Okay, and every time you can see my rank. This is worldwide. Okay, I'm number 860. Okay, that is my rank. So here I can invite subscribers. I can also invite ambassadors. Okay, so you can see my balance. Let me show you my balance. So if you see, I've scrolled down. This is my ambassador. Like, this is my referrals so far. I have 10, and my balance is 20. Okay. So guys, everything right here is true. So I'm gonna take you to the platform channel. Okay, and also to their Twitter, so that you can see what the thing is. You can see what they are saying here. Invite 17 more to climb the 300th place ambassador into in advance. So you can see, you can join Twitter. Okay, you can also go to Telegram. So let us go to the their Twitter channel. I don't know whether you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. Like, this one is like kind of promotion. So this particular website, they want people to promote it. Okay, they want people to promote it. Okay, let me go to their, they want me to use it's okay, let me go to Telegram first. So this is Telegram channel. You can see number of people and those who are online. Okay, so you can see everything is here. We have secured 5,000 in some investments, so everything is here, guys. Okay, so there is something that I saw that we're about to invite some amount of people to qualify for. Yeah, so guys, if you want this one to work for you, make sure you have 5 people under you. Okay, 5 active people under you. How is it counted as qualified referrals? Like, if you enter, okay, if you provide your link, the person you share with your link verify their email address, then after that they connect their Twitter account with Kandora website. That one is qualified, like they'll be automatically qualified, so they are qualified referrals. So anyone that fails to do that is not qualified. Okay, so at least you should have 5 people under you. So this is ambassador program update. Due to rapidly growing number of people interested in becoming ambassadors, we are approaching our allocated rewards cap much faster than expected. Okay, so to keep the program fair and allow features community members to participate as well, we are introducing temporary registration limits. Okay, guys, I hope you get what I'm trying to read. I'm reading what they provided here. So this was today is 7th May, right? Yeah, so that is today's update. I think it was earlier today. So new limits per hour. So maximum of 500 per hour referrals. Each user can successfully register up to 10 referrals per hour through their link. Okay, so the measures are being implemented to maintain balance, prevent abuse, and ensure broader access to the program as our community continues to grow. Okay, so we appreciate the incredible support and momentum from everyone joining Kandora. More updates soon. So guys, I think you've heard what I've read, and that is what is here. So guys, that is it. This is an opportunity to everyone that can manage to bring in people, and make sure those people you've guided them, or you can share with them this video so that they can know how to activate their account. It's so simple. You just need to give them email address, then they send you code. Insert that code or put that code where they request you to put it. After that, connect your Twitter account. You'll be good to go, and make sure they're gonna provide you that unique referral, I mean a unique secret key. Make sure you write it somewhere, because you need it when logging in. Anytime you want to log in, they'll request for it, and if you don't have it, you'll not be able to you'll not be able to uh not to be able to access your account. That is the word I was looking for. So guys, let us go to Twitter, their Twitter, Kandora. Okay, let's head to Twitter. I'm just going to tap to search for it, because already have. So we can try and look for what people are saying about it. I can see many people are promoting it. Kandora. How long is this video? So let us look for Kandora, what people are saying about it. You can make 3,000 per week. Okay. Let us look for Kandora. How is it spelled? Let me see. Kandora. I don't know whether I'm reading it right, but this is it, okay? This is what you want. So this is their channel, Twitter channel, okay? Make sure you follow them, then put notification bell on. So everything works until volatility hits. We are building the exchange that doesn't trade against you. Stay sharp through our education layer, okay? So it's a kind of academy. We have secured 5,000, okay? I show you that. We are at Kansas. Okay, you can see they are at Miami. Okay, you can see that. Join the Candera Ambassador Program. Invite with your referral link. Track everything in the dashboard. Hand from subscribers plus ambassadors plus their performance. Okay, so you can see everything here. These are the CEO. Okay, what's the real driver? What's the real driver behind long-term growth? Our CEO explains how structure shapes everything we build. So read the full interview on Medium. So you can just click on it, then go read. Okay, so this was 2 days ago. Time frame was, so make sure you are following this verified Candora. Okay, this is the real channel or the real account. Okay, last round's draw. Congrats that this person won 100 USDC secured. Let's run it back. Guess the time frame. So guys, I forgot to show you something. I want to show you the leaderboard to show you that this is real and people are really working on it. And before that, let me show you something. We search for it again. So we want to see what people are saying about it. You can see people are, this is 2 hours ago, this person is having $12 balance. That is themselves, these people, you see, these are verified verified accounts. Okay, you can see there this person is having 306 qualified, you can see. So for the first time, I just joined yesterday, that is why my referrals are still written pending. They have to be verified. Okay, so you can see this person is verified, this person is still pending. He also joined yesterday or early, I think. You can see this person here has secured 255 qualified. You can see people are talking about it. People are talking about it. This person has secured 523 USDC. That is, this one has secured 468 dollars. So guys, it is real. Let me show you the leaderboard. You can see this person has 140 qualified and he has earned $523 or USDC. So it is not only me talking about it. Many people are talking about it, and you guys, why not join something which will never cost you anything? Like, it's not even going to cost you even a $1. It's free. Guys, I'm taking you to the, you can see Azali quest, start a quest. Okay, complete quest a daily task to boost your rewards and earn more. So you can also do this. You can see this is community. You can join. You can see I don't want to see my network. So this is the leaderboard. Okay, you can see the leaderboard, and you can see the person who referred you. You can see ambassador referral. That is the okay. You can see okay, you can see right here, we have the first person is having, this is the first person. You can see the first person as is ambassador. He has invited 1,192 people. I'm telling you, people are serious out here. And he has managed to secure qualified 2,389 USDC. That is US dollar. Okay, is the same thing, and this person has been rewarded the price he has the reward he has earned times 3 as number 1. Okay, you can see he has been rewarded times 3 of what he has in his account. So his balance is 7,167. So this person will get this whole amount, and it's still going on until we get the last update from them to stop. bringing in people. So you can see the third person is getting 2 times what he has in his account. You can see the third person is also getting 1.5 times. So goes as you go on up to number I don't know which number is this. Is this number 10? So you can see I'm still 180. Okay, so up to number 10 is getting 1 times, like 1.1 times. Okay, you can see right here. And something I forgot, guys, something I forgot to tell you. This person is having around 4,814 USDC. How comes? I think qualified. I think if I don't know, because if he's number 10 and he's having that 144. So you guys, make sure you connect your link. You can use Binance, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask. That Ethereum address that they will use to send you the money. So make sure you connect your account. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video.